Ayos!
Wow!
Ayos na ayos!
Wow, wow!
Grabe to guys, oh. 683.5. Ayaw mo pa niyan? Ewan ko na lang. Hello guys! Welcome po sa Circle JC Merc Hobby Shop. So ito guys, pinapakita namin sa inyo. After 200 rounds of BBs, yun pa rin po, very consistent ang ating Barrett Fieldcraft pagdating po sa ating FPS wise after the upgrade kit. Syempre pa. Circle JC Merc Hobby Shop, team up with Edgy. Okay. Shoutout natin kila Jules. Hello, hello. And yeah, we have team up with them to have this kit para sa inyo guys. Ito lang ang kailangan nyo. Ang limang to. And syempre ang Barrett. Okay. Special ano po ito, parts para po sa ating Barrett Fieldcraft na hawak po ngayon ang Kalsam. So ang Kalsam, pakrono mga uli. Let's go. Alright, test fire. Alright, sige, patingin ako. Ayun, o isa pa ang Kalsam. Okay, isa pa ang Kalsam. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Okay, firing. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. So anyway, guys, look at the chrono, no? So tayo ay naka 0.20 na BBs, 685 yan. Okay. So yan po yung ating gather na numbers, okay? So as you can see there, we have 685, 67, 83, 80, okay? So that's the average of getting once we have upgraded your unit. 650 to 720 ang habol po natin. And so far po, with the average of 680 plus, using our Barrett Fieldcraft. Syempre, gwapo pa. Very consistent, no? Okay. So, order na kayo ng inyong Barrett. Kung wala pa po tayong Barrett Fieldcraft natin by EMG brand, syempre pa. Tayo lang po meron yan, only here at Circle JC Merc Hobby Shop. Kung wala pa kayo ng Barrett Fieldcraft ninyo, abay, kumuha na kayo. At kung meron na kayo, kuha na lang kayo ng upgrade kit natin. Alright? Anyway, para lang bahin natin difference. Sige, Uncle Sam, you try a different Barrett natin. Let's go. So, alright. Test fire natin. Ito yung black lang ito, no? So, ito yung out of the box ng Barrett. Pakita mo, Uncle Sam. Alam naman po ninyo lahat na 500 plus FPS, okay? 500 to 550 FPS, considering yung kanyang barrel, compared kay APM40. That being said, out of the box, yun na po ang binibigay sa atin, okay? So, we have 528.7. Okay? Out of the box po ito, upgraded na siya. Pero, mas pinalakas pa po natin ang ating Barrett Fieldcraft. Gathering that much, okay, na FPS with this upgrade kit. So, solid Solid na solid. Alright? So, anyway guys, order na po tayo. Available only here at Circle JC Merc Hobby Shop. Ayos ba yung chop?
Wow!
Ayos, ayos.
Wow, wow!
Order na kayo. Grabe yan. Grabe. Para sa bolt action sniper. Nakakashook. Thank you guys. Go and be a blessing. Bye!